we're the Soul Sisters, and we are joined by our awesome friend Rob, who is not only our great friend but also a fantastic nutritionist.
He is, and we're always asking Rob for advice and recipes on how to make amazing, quick, simple, delicious meals. So we thought, why not collaborate and create some amazing content for you guys at home?
So, shall I tell you what I'm going to do?
Tell us, Rob.
What are we
Right,
doing?
so what we're going to do is going to do 4 recipes that are quick to make, they're really nutritious, and they are pretty cost effective. Because I think these are the biggest barriers that people have to eating well, and I bet you have this with training as well. People are always putting up the barriers. I haven't got a gym membership, I haven't got the right clothes, anything to sort of not train.
Yeah.
But we know that those barriers don't need to get in the way.
Yeah, it's all about being simple.
It's about being simple, and it's just about things being really easy and being shown with a bit of inspiration as to what to do.
I'm excited.
Super excited.
Should we do it?
Let's do it! So Rob, what are we making today?
So, what I'm going to make is a chicken, mango and chickpea salad.
Delicious.
And I've only got this much food, so it better work first time.
We have one time.
Right, so first thing we're going to do is add our chickpeas.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are nice source of fibre.
Okay, and have you got those chickpeas from literally a can?
Yep, so they've come from a can, you get them in a jar as well, so again, this is helping to save a bit of dosh.
Cool, perfect.
I've got some mango.
Lovely.
And we'll put the recipes up for you guys.
Yeah.
Nice one. Yummy.
Some chopped tomatoes.
Delicious.
Yeah, chuck them in.
And are we making enough for 2 people, or is this one person's portion?
This is kind of for 2.
Okay.
But we might just, we'll all eat it and tuck in. So that's our chicken.
Yeah.
Ooh, now I am a pescatarian, Rob, so obviously this looks delicious. I won't be trying this one, but can you substitute it for other protein sources?
Yeah, I would probably go for something like prawns.
I can
Be
do
really
a
good.
prawn.
Love a
Yeah,
prawnie.
Love
do a prawn. Right, so a bit of chilli.
Yeah.
Now,
As you taste it,
Okay.
these are really hot. So,
and is it true that chili boosts your metabolism? Because that is everywhere.
I know everyone talks
Is it
about
true?
that. I think the thing is, it can slightly raise your metabolism, but don't think that eating a load of chilies is going to help you to lose weight.
Okay.
We're not
Doesn't
going to
really
be
work
losing
like that. No.
Oh, damn.
So, okay, a little bit of red onion.
Okay,
Yeah.
so roughly chopped,
Chuck
chucking
it
it
on.
in.
Yeah,
I'm just
Great.
going to put some oil.
Okay, so just olive oil?
Olive oil,
What
really
would you,
easy.
olive oil or virgin?
Extra virgin
Extra virgin olive oil, okay.
Always use that. There's a lot of stuff about oils at the moment. You know the stuff in the press recently about coconut oil.
Yes.
I just think there's loads of research about the health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. So why not just stick to that?
Yeah.
It's the best one to use.
That's good,
for
because
everything,
that is
right?
what I do use.
Yeah, I never use coconut oil.
Yeah.
I don't
I've been
really
using
like
it in
the
the
taste.
Mediterranean for so many years, and
Yeah.
it's just so good for heart health, inflammation. So why not just stick to that one?
Perfect.
Right.
So squeeze in a little bit of lime.
Bit of
Sorry,
lime
we were
juice.
chatting. Yeah.
Stir it up.
Yeah. This looks so yummy.
Serve it. So good.
And that was so simple, and that literally
Really
was what?
easy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like
6 or 7 ingredients. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. We're going to try it.
We are so going to try this.
God.
Would
Yeah.
you season it, salt and pepper, anything like
Might
that?
put a bit of salt on.
Okay.
Optional. It's up to you.
Seeing as I eat meat, shall I do the trying? You do the try. I'm going to do the big try.
It looks and smells delicious, but what? Sorry.
Oh, wait.
Yes, yummy.
Okay. Rob, are you going to get in there too?
Yeah, I'm definitely going to get in there.
Yes, I'm sad.
Ordinarily, I would probably put a bit of coriander in
Yeah.
this.
Oh my
but,
god, that's so. Oh my god, the chili's
I
really
forgot.
hot. That is so good. So that was so quick, so easy, full of nutrition.
Yeah. High in protein, high in fibre.
No
high in
excuse not to do
antioxidants.
this.
Smells good.
So guys, if you've done a workout, you want a quick, simple recipe, give this a go. We're going to put up all the details for you right now. Rob smashed it. Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought it was like that.